Hi, Jerezee Construction. Yeah, I am just actually reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could, make a big difference. I spent some time reviewing your website, especially since you are getting traffic from Google Ads. And I want to share a few ideas on how we can turn more visitors into actual customers reaching out to you. Right now, your phone number is on the site, which is great. It's here, and but it's not always easy for visitors to spot right away. Sometimes it's tucked away for only a certain pages. For someone who's ready to call, especially in an emergency, they should have, they should have not have hunt for your number. What I recommend is adding a sticky header or footer that keeps your phone number and email visible no matter where someone is on the site. Plus, making those clickable on mobile means people can just tap and call or email instantly. Yeah, I noticed that you already have a chat box, which is good. It can really boost engagement because it gives visitors a quick, low pressure way to ask questions and get help without having to pick, phone or yeah, fill out a form. It's like having a friendly assistant ready 24/7. That's good though. So speaking of forms, the contact form you have is useful, but it might what's that? It might be asking for a bit too much info up front. The simpler we make that form, just the essentials like name, phone, or email, and a quick message, the more people will actually fill it out. Think of it like a checkout line in a store. The faster, the easier it is, the more customers complete the purchase. Also, adding some testimonials or certifications near your contact info can really help build trust. When people see that others have great experiences with you, they're most comfortable reaching out. Of course, we want to make sure the site loads quickly and works perfectly on phones and tablets because most people browse that way these days. If the site is slow or clunky, people just leave. So to sum it up, let's make your phone number and email pop and keep them visible all the time. And simplify your contact form to reduce friction. Add some trust signals near your contact points and optimize for mobile and speed. If we tackle those, you'll see more calls, emails, and chats coming in, and that means more leads and sales. What do you think? Should we start prioritizing these changes to get most out of your website traffic? Oh, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips helpful and we offer a free strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply, I'm interested, and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. That's all for now. Thank you.